According to certain scriptures, the eighth incarnation of Vishnu talks about the mighty Balram, who has guided and consulted Krishna from time to time. Balram and Krishna lived a very simple life in Vrindavan with their parents, Nanda and Yashoda. They were given the duties of herding the cows, pasteurizing the ground, and taking care of the cows. Balram was whitish in color and often dressed in blue dhoti. He always carried in a plough in his hand, which later became one of his most powerful weapons. He has always been a guiding light and a patient teacher to Krishna and later the Pandavas as well. Balram and Krishna one day decided to leave Vrindavan with the promise of coming back one day. They went to Mathura and defeated the king Kans. They freed Krishna's birth parents as well. They started living in Mathura and growing their families with wives and kids. Balram was an expert at mace warfare. He had also extended his knowledge of combat and weapons to Bhim and Duryodhan. They both were extremely dear to him. He was a calm and a smart person but could not withstand any wrongdoings. He had become extremely furious at Arjun when he married Subhadra after being married to Draupadi already. Krishna, however, pacified him by explaining the situation. Balram was named Ram, but due to his strength, they started calling him Balram. His alternate names were Baladev and Balabhadra. His measure of strength can be imagined from the fact that he was considered to be stronger than the herd of elephants. Even as a kid, he has destroyed many demons which were sent by Kans. Due to his agricultural background, he is also known as the farmer god. It is clearly mentioned in Vishnu Dharmottar Puran that one who wishes to possess strength and success in agriculture should worship Balram. Although we consider Balram to be the eighth incarnation of Vishnu, a lot of ancient writings have put forth the following theories. Balram is considered to be an incarnation of Adi Anant Sheshnag. He is the many-headed serpent on which the Supreme Lord Vishnu rests in the ocean of milk, the Kshir Sagar. Sheshnag is considered to be the king of Nagas and bearer of the entire universe in his hood. This might be an explanation of the tremendous strength of Balram. Another theory suggests that Balram is the reincarnation of Lord Lakshman. Lakshman wanted to become an elder brother, as being a younger brother to Ram meant he had to follow all the orders. His wish was fulfilled when he became Balram, and Ram was incarnated as Krishna. Talking about the wise behavior of Balram, he guided his disciples Bhim and Duryodhan to use their strength right. When Mahabharata was announced, he came to know that both of his disciples are going to fight against each other. He decided to take a neutral stand and not participate in the war to avoid bias and remain fair. Balram led a very interesting life right from his divine birth to a fascinating marriage story to be one of the greatest warriors of all times.